And when he was at the place, he said unto them, Pray that ye enter not into temptation. May God bless you. Amen. Tin amun chu avathlen chuan an hnena thlemna a in lu lo nan tong trai ro atia thlemna a kan lu lo nan kan tong trai yang lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.